Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace us, it's here to empower us. Every color, every font, and every shape that we use carries a message. There are four pillars that you need to understand. Hey folks, welcome back to Graphixia, the design expertise for your imagination. If you ever looked at a stunning poster, a sleek logo, or a social media post and wondered if I could make it one day, then this video is for you. Because today I am going to show you how to become a graphical designer right from scratch. No degree, no experience, no expensive setup. All I need is your creativity, curiosity, and the right direction for which Graphixia is here to guide you through. Before we jump into how, let's understand what. Graphical designing is not just about creating something beautiful. It's about solving problem visually. Every color, every font and every shape that we use carries a message. Think about it. When you see a poster or a logo, you're not just seeing the art. You're seeing communication there. Graphical designers are not just designers who just create some stuffs. They are visual storytellers. So to be one, you need to train yourself to be a good storyteller. Graphical designers make ideas understandable, and most importantly, we are the ones who can make emotions visible. So if you love creativity, communication and purpose, you're already halfway there. Now let's talk about the tools. And here's a truth that most beginners need to know. Tools doesn't make you a graphic designer. Instead, it helps you showcase your creativity better. Start simple. If you're a complete beginner, try Canva. It's free and beginner friendly. Once you're comfortable, move to Adobe Photoshop for photo editing and manipulation. Then step into Adobe Illustrator, the powerhouse of logo design, brand works, and vector graphics. Remember, every expert designer once struggled to remember where the pen tool was. So be patient, enjoy the learning curve, and keep learning and make it a habit. Every masterpiece in the world is built on strong foundation. So the same applies for graphic designing as well. There are four pillars that you need to understand. One is the color theory. It shows how color influences emotions. Next is typography. Choosing the right typography can explain the brand's personality. Next is the layout and composition. It keeps a balance between the elements we use and how our eye see naturally. Next is the visual hierarchy. We design things so we can decide what our viewers are gonna see first. These are the languages that your designs will speak. Once you learn them, you'll never have to work on guessworks. And here is the beauty. Once you understand why, then you can make any software work for you. Now let's speak about the game changers of the era, AI. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace us. It's here to empower us. Tools like Adobe Firefly generate patterns, backgrounds, and textures. Canva Magic Studio create layouts and resize your design for social medias. You can even use ChatGPT to create brainstorm ideas or color palettes for your works. AI can't feel creativity, but you can. AI can help you bring your ideas to life. So use it wisely and design like a future version of yourself. Design is a skill. Like every other skill, it improves with practice. Start small. Create existing logos and understand their structure. I'll provide the link of the video on how to create WhatsApp and Instagram logo on the I button. You can check it. Once you feel confident about it, start creating posts for social media like Instagram and Facebook. Then try creating business cards and banners. Even if no one is paying you, treat every project as it's for a client. That's where you're gonna start meet professionalism. If you have created enough, now it's time to showcase them. You can use platforms like Behance, Dribble, or even you can use Instagram to showcase your works. Don't wait for perfection. Showcase your progress because growth attracts opportunities. The first few designs might look simple because it's how things work. Every designer started their work with some kind of design that they weren't proud of. Once you've built a few projects, then you're ready to step into the world of professionalism. Start by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, or even Instagram, because people love discovering new creators. And here is where AI comes in handy again. You can create client messages, you can create visual mockups, or even visual proposals using AI. Remember this, clients don't always choose the most experienced designers. They choose designers who communicate well, deliver on time, and listens to them. And that's how you build trust. Trust builds your career. Becoming a graphic designer isn't a single step. It's a journey. There will be days when your design don't look even a bit good, and that's absolutely okay. Every design that you create is teaching you something, and the mind to learn from it is something that makes you a better designer. The key is consistency. Enjoy the learning curve, keep learning, keep experimenting, and make sure you showcase your projects every now and then. You don't need a permission to call yourself a designer. You become one the moment you start creating a design. So, if you're waiting for a moment to get started, this is it. Your creativity needs to be seen, your imaginations need to be expressed. If this video gave you a push to get started, hit that like button and comment down how you feel about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Graphixia for more tutorials, motivation, and design ideas. Because in Graphixia, I believe in design expertise for your imagination. See you in the next video.